Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for Lawyer. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of lawyers' client churn. Clients tend to look for better support when they have a hard time finding high-quality answers, and a streamlined scheduling tool helps them get the help they need quickly. Prioritize and help clients efficiently by qualifying them in advance. Set up custom intake forms to qualify prospects automatically. Manually approve prospects who qualify for a meeting. Politely decline meetings with prospects who don't qualify. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes, and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.